Here we are backing up Cass Lake, getting ready to do some speeding in this boat. The Gold Rush. Heck yeah. We're gonna go pretty fast today, Dave?
Now we'll keep it under 100. What do you think of that motor? Isn't that quiet? Let's do it.
Here we are strolling around the lake, Cass Lake. Beautiful homes out there. Steven and I just strolling along. Pretty soon we're gonna go pretty fast. Hey, he had her throttled back to about 45, 50 miles an hour here. Later on, the crazy man got up to 60. Holy smoke, this thing goes. Here's the Gold Rush, Speed Demon, Speedboat. What year is this, David?
1979.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to actually go in and start showing some of the interior right now. All these panels had to be rebuilt. It was no big deal. I actually used flake board and then coated them with epoxy. See the side panel and the panel that houses the flush mounted throttle. That came up really nice. Basically used a real thin layer of foam covered with the white vinyl. Seats came out really nice. See the storage compartment under there. It's kind of a mess. I'm hoping to change the battery out either later this year or next year. There's a Odyssey PC680, same battery for my airplane. It's a deep cycle battery. It's a fraction of the size of this battery. I don't know if you can see that, but it's back in there. It's just humongous. It takes up too much room. So I'm going to replace that. Okay, I'm going to come around. You guys have seen the, oh, well, that's been all rebuilt. If you're wondering what's going on with the red carpet, there's a reason behind that. I have a green one up here. This is a whole lot easier on your feet. There's a close-up of the panel, all the gauges. This is the Baystar hydraulic steering. This wheel, I found this online through eBay. It's a smaller diameter and makes for a lot easier or more space between the seat and the bottom of the wheel. It's worked out really well. I'm going to put some pics on the previous interior so you can see what I had previously. I'm going to come around to the front. I want you to see the grill, which was new. See those there? So that's an aluminum, probably turned on a mill, but it replaced the plastic one, which broke up. Ultraviolet eventually gets it. Are you shooting too? Okay.